Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy F23, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first we should go into the Gmail application, and then here click on the right upper corner, tap to OK, and here you can see that we are logged in into two accounts at the same time. And now just to log out from this account, you should log out from the Google account on your device. And now just to do that, you should tap to the manage accounts on this device, and here you can see this our two accounts. So just to log out, for example, from the first one, click here and click to remove account, then just confirm by click again to the remove account. And now, as can you see, in Google account settings we stay only with one Google account. And now we'll go back to the application, and okay, and now we'll just click here on the right upper corner, and you can see that we stay only also with one account in our Gmail application. So that's it. That's how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.